In this video, let us solve for a given 5 raised to power a times 25 raised to power a is equal to 50. This is 5 raised to power a times 25 here we can also write as 5 raised to power 2, then raised to power a is equal to 50. By law of indices, given p raised to power m, then raised to power n, this will give us p raised to power m times n. So this gives us 5 raised to power a times 5 raised to power 2a is equal to 50. Let us apply another law of indices. Given p raised to power m times p raised to power n, as long as the bases are the same, we can write this as p raised to power m plus n. Therefore, our equation now becomes 5 raised to power a plus 2a is equal to 50. From here we have 5 raised to power, this will be 3a, then equal to 50. This is an exponential equation. I'm going to take the logarithm of both sides. So log 5 raised to power 3a is equal to log 50. Log 5 raised to power 3a is of the form log p raised to power k. And by law of logarithm, this will give us k times log p. So that the equation becomes 3a times log 5 is equal to log 50. Let us divide both sides by log 5. Log 5 will then cancel log 5 here, leaving us with 3a is equal to log 50 divided by log 5. This would then imply 3a is equal to log 50 here we can express as 25 times 2, then divided by log 5. Log 25 times 2 is of the form log m times p, which by law of logarithm will give us log m plus log p, giving us 3a is equal to log 25 plus log 2, then divided by log 5. I'm going to separate this division so that 3a is now equal to log 25 divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. Therefore, this gives us 3a equal to log 25 is 5 raised to power 2, then divided by log 5, then plus log 2 divided by log 5. This will give us 3a is equal to 2 times log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. Log 5 will cancel log 5 here, giving us 3a is equal to 2 plus log 2 divided by log 5. Log 2 divided by log 5 is of the form log m divided by log p. By law of logarithm, this will give us log m base p. So all of this becomes 3a equal to 2 plus log 2 base 5. Now to solve for a here, let us divide both sides by 3. Three will take care of 3 here, leaving us with a equal to 2 divided by 3, plus we can write this as 1 over 3 times log 2 base 5. This will then be our final answer to this problem. The next thing I'm going to do before I conclude will be to do a quick check to confirm that this solution is correct. And to do that, we need to substitute this value back into the given problem, which was 5 raised to power a times 25 raised to power a equal to 50. This here gave us 5 raised to power 3 a equal to 50, and then in place of a here we can substitute this value, which would then imply 5 raised to power 3 times a is 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 2 base 5 to give us 50. This will give us 5 raised to power 3 times 2 over 3 will give us 2, plus 3 times 1 over 3 will give us 1. 1 times log 2 base 5 will give us log 2 base 5, then equal to 50. We can separate these powers by applying this law of indices. P raised to power m plus n. This will give us p raised to power m times p raised to power n. So we have 5 raised to power 2 times 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 to give us 50. 5 raised to power 2 here will give us 25. This remains unchanged. To give us 50. Then looking at 5 raised to power log 2 base 5, this is of the form a raised to power log m base a. As long as the bases are the same, this will always give us m. The bases are the same, so this will give us 2. Then we have 25 times 2 to give us 50. 25 times 2 is 50, so we have 50 is equal to 50. And since the left hand side balances the right hand side, it confirms that the value we got for a is perfectly correct. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and also remember to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.